This is how you change a starter on a L553 New Holland. Make it easy. Just took a little grinder, got the little plate, so we can get off in there pretty easy. See the starter right there. So first thing I'm gonna do is disconnect that positive side of the battery, and then I'll take the starter off. That's a good starter. That starter's dragging. You know it? Yeah. There needs to be pulled away from that, so when y'all get ready to put that on, don't let it be back there against that housing. 9/16" nut on the top, 11/16 bolt on the bottom, and a 9/16 nut to take off the wires. Easy fix. Once you start. Fire up there, Captain.